So we are a little further along, and this is what I meant in the previous video, to lining up the niche with the tile work. We have only one tile, but we have to cut the angle in. Otherwise, it's all lining up with the grout lines on the top and on the sides. And we have the ronde edging in and the mosaic on the back all grouted. And have a little accident on that tile right there, so I had to change that little chipped corner. And we have a screed here between the tiles and our area pro went in. So when tomorrow the mosaic, same as in the niche, will go on this strip, it will just fly right in, and it will be just a little gap for the vent. And now you can see from the distance our pattern. As I said before, we had only 3 tiles in all the boxes, 3 patterns. So instead of trying to do something, my clients got super creative, and we just got these squares kind of running a circle of one of each pattern, so you can see how it turned out. So the mosaic goes on tomorrow, and we'll grout it, get the glass in, drop the bathtub, and get the job finished. So stay tuned for the final walkthrough. Thank you for watching.